Hi everyone, Harrison here from LED Torch Shop, here with one of two of JETBeam's distance lights. This is the RRT-M2S Raptor. Now this is a smaller one, it's rated at 1,000 meters, maximum 480 lumens with a huge 250,000 candela in that hotspot. Now it's running off a WP-T2 laser LEP. Here's the torch, but I'll just, you get in a nice little sort of briefcase thing here. You get your warranty cards, a few O-rings, you get your charging cable because it does come with a 21700 rechargeable battery, and you get a lanyard as well. But we've all seen those, so I'll just move on straight onto the torch because it is awesome and a lot to get through. So here it is. If you're familiar with the LEP torches and ranges, it is similar in size to the JETBeam W10, but yeah, it really looks cool. You got a nice rubberized sort of cigar grip there. You got a clicky on and off. But what sets this one aside from a lot of the other ones we've seen is you got this mode selector, which JETBeam are sort of bringing back on a lot of their torches at the moment. So you've got 5 modes. Previously they might have only had high and low or just on and off, like some of the other older LEPs. 5 modes, so you've got your low, your medium, your high, you got your strobe, and you've got your SOS mode, which is awesome. Like I said, you get maximum 480 lumens. Doesn't sound like a lot, but because that candela is so tight, the beam's so tight and the candela is so high in the middle, they're just so throwy, it's ridiculous. On high they look like a laser pointer, big fat laser pointer, or sort of lightsaber looking thing. It's, yeah, they're really impressive. I'm loving the tactical design and this sort of mode selector. I'm glad they went with sort of straight palette across the whole thing and didn't sort of go silver here. I reckon it looks really nice. Front bezel, yeah, and that highly transparent front lens is just focusing all that light, all that LEP light. A few other specs is IPX8 rated, so standard waterproof rating, so it's running at 2 meters for a 2 meter submersible for about 30 minutes. 1 meter impact resistant, 2-year warranty on all the JETBeam stuff. Like I said, it's got the 21700 battery with a micro USB port in there. You can obviously use another 21700 if you've got an external charger, or 18650s will run this as well. The outputs though on low, so that mode selector, if you sort of go all the way anti-clockwise to the left, obviously, that'll be low, and that's at 15 lumens for about 11 hours. Next mode, medium mode, is about 75 lumens, 7 hours runtime. 480 lumens on high, which is the next mode. You get it about 4 hours runtime. And then you got strobe, which is about 300 lumens, and you got 10 hours runtime on that. SOS is 300 lumens, and you get about 8-9 hours runtime. So, I mean, the runtimes on the 21700 are fantastic. You can sort of increase those running your own 21700 as well. The outputs probably don't seem like a lot, like, I mean, medium 75 lumens, high 480, but to be honest, it does make a lot of difference. It is so concentrated in the middle that it just gets that distance anyway. Yeah, you'd have to get one out. It's super impressive. Really cool beam on it, especially this one. I mean, the other one's to hold a tighter beam, but I reckon at its shorter distances, this one's super usable because probably around 500-600 meters, you're sort of getting around 4 meters sort of width and height, circumference sort of thing. So that's really visible light. It's awesome at distance. I'll just give you a quick look about how tight that beam is. This is probably going to be about a meter away, and you'll see. So this is straight on low. You can see how tight that is. If we move it up to high, medium, and high. High is about the size of my palm, about a meter away. So it doesn't really increase very much after that, but around 500-600 meters, it really comes into its own. Then you got your strobe and your SOS mode. So definitely worth a look at the new JETBeam's LEPs range, distance lights. They're, crazy impressive. really well built. JETBeam, yeah, really up their game on this range. Some really nice things coming out of here, especially the look. I really like the look of this one. But yeah, let us know what you think of the LEP ranges in general, or the new JETBeams. We'd love to hear from you guys. Drop a link to this in the description below. But yeah, let us know in the comments whether you want to see more of this, some distance lights, or this compared to anything else. I'd love to get some comparisons with this and the older W10, just to show you yeah, how on par it is, and especially those extra modes that you get. But yeah, thanks for watching. We've got new content coming out every week, so don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button to keep up to date. But thanks for watching this one so far, and we'll catch you on the next one.